work. Can you whip your hands? Everybody. Whip your hands. Come on. Hey, whip your hands. Talking about my girl. Yeah. I'll take it back a little bit. You guys having a good time or what? I see you guys having a good time. Make some noise. We are Soul Sound Review. We're gonna get it. We're gonna take it back. How many people remember Harold Melvin and the Blue Notes? Where my Harold Melvin and the Blue Notes people? Give it up for the late great Mr. Teddy Pendergrass, y'all. They did a very beautiful song and it went like this here. Check it out. I lost it. Sorry, I lost it. Y'all can sing it. Come on. I lost it.